Hello everyone, good morning. I just woke up and very excited today because today I'm going to buy my new MacBook. You can imagine how excited I am. So suddenly thought to make a vlog and share the whole experience with you. So throughout the day, I will try to film everything as much possible and share with you. I hope you guys will really enjoy throughout the day. I know you're somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on. So guys, I'm now ready to go out and you can see it's a very sunny and beautiful day and I'm finding everything more beautiful just because I'm so excited. So let's go to the Apple Store and see you there. Yay! So finally I have my MacBook Pro here at home and I'm going to unbox it. Oh, very excited. Oh, wow. It looks gorgeous. Yay. Wow. So this is my MacBook Pro. Yay. Okay, first let's check what I have here. Here I have a cable and so this is the adapter it comes with. Alright, so let's see. Now I have to take it. Ooh. Ooh. How gorgeous. So this is my MacBook Pro in space gray color. So I have got the baseline model which is the dual core and I think it's good enough for my light work. I don't do any heavy duty editing or any gaming, so this is good enough for me. I can use iMovie and also Final Cut Pro. This baseline MacBook Pro fulfills the basic requirements for my video editing and photo editing and blog posts, which is amazing. So the setup is done and it's finally on. So this is my first time experience using a MacBook. This is very exciting and I'm not a tech person, so I just shared my experience of buying this MacBook. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and please like this video if you enjoyed it. So see you on my next video. Bye.